Hello student, here we discuss about actinide series. I am Veena Dikshit. If you like my video, please subscribe and like and share with your friends. Which of the following F block elements, here we are discussing about actinide, having no electron in f orbital, 0 electron in d orbital, 1 electron in d orbital and 2 electron in d orbital. Here we know that in case of actinide, radon 86, okay, 5f, 6d and 7s orbitals are filled, and 7s always 2, and electron jump from 1 electron jump from d orbital to f orbital or f orbital to d orbital. Let us see what are here. Thorium Rn 86, here 5f0, this is the first member, but there is no electron in f orbital, so 1 electron jump to the d orbital, so it will be 5f0, 6d to 7s2. Now here see, only this is having 6d2 configuration, and only this is having 4f0 electron. This is first member of the actinide series. This is exceptional case. Now after that, 91 atomic number, Pa protactinium here 6d1 7s2, 6d1 7s2, 6d1 7s2, right, like this. Where f always f. Now 86 plus 3 89, so how much you will add here? 2, so it will be 5f2. If we will add 89 plus 3, then it will be 92, so it is uranium. 89 plus 4, this will be neptunium 93. Okay, then 2 3 4 easily you can get. Okay, this is the way we have to learn. Now this after that this plutonium will come. Here it is having d0, so in between d1 only these two are having d0 configuration. 91 to 96 we will see, so 91 to 96 only, 94 and 95 is having d0 configuration, and d1 configuration over here. So americium and curium, see here it is a half filled orbital, that is why 1 electron from this is jumped to here, and 5f7, 6d1, 7s2. We'll go for the other one. After this curium, 97 to 102, 97 to 102 here, 9 10 11 12 13 14. Okay, remember 9 10 11 12 13 14, all of them are having the 0 configuration. And when I am counting 9 10 11 12 means of f electron, I am saying f orbitals are filled over here. Lawrencium is having 5f14, 6d1, 7s2. So atomic number 91, 92, 93, 96 and 103 are having d1 configuration, d1 and 7s2, 6d1, 7s2, and rest other electron goes to f orbital. So here 7 electron in curium and 14 electron in f orbital.